Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. First, what you need to do is to install the Docker. You can find how to install Docker by tip in the right corner. After both components, Docker and docker-compose are installed, it's time to create a folder to host Flame. Use the following command to create the folder Flame, then access it. Create a docker-compose file inside it by running the following command. Add the following content in this file. Change the password. Save the change, close the editor and proceed to the installation. When installation is finished, you can access the Flame through a web browser with your IP address and the next port. You will see something similar to this. If you click on the settings button, you can access the theme section and there choose from the present designs. If you go to the apps section, you will have to use the password you have defined in the docker-compose file and set the session duration. Now when you are logging it, you will have more options available to play with the tool. That's it, now you can work with the Flame. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.